Assalamu Alaikum everyone, welcome to Hue 16. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we will design a logo for a company that provides delicious and wholesome vegan dishes. At the beginning of the design process, we have to understand the client brief properly. First of all, we have a brand name which is Green Bloom. Green Bloom is a plant-based restaurant that offers delicious and wholesome vegan dishes made from locally sourced organic ingredients. The restaurant aims to promote sustainable and eco-friendly dining while providing a delightful culinary experience. The target audience is health-conscious individuals, vegans, vegetarians, and anyone interested in exploring plant-based cuisine. The key values are sustainability, health, freshness, nature, and nourishment. Before I moving to the mind mapping step, I will pick 4 main keywords which is associated with the logo. Here it is: nature, fresh, health, and sustainability. When I think about the word of nature, it reminds me about plants, which indicate the leads to leaf and flowers. I do the same process for the next keyword: fresh, health, and sustainability. Here are all the keywords I found through the mind mapping process. Now I will select at least one suitable keyword from each column and then combine them. For this logo, I can design an icon combining with a leaf, sun, and recycling arrows. During the sketching process, I create multiple concepts and pick these two for further development. Now we digitize the perfect sketches using Adobe Illustrator. First of all, we import the selected sketch, then dragging it into the software. To prevent any interface while working, we lock it by going to Object, Lock, Select, or use Ctrl 2. Next, we use the Ellipse tool to create a circle for the base. Increase the stroke value to enhance its appearance. Then we create a leaf shape by dragging a copy of a circle and align it with the main circle. We use Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste in front and make it smaller. Using the scissor tool, we remove the extra areas. To add an arrow, use the pen tool. We use the line segment tool to draw rays of sunlight around the leaf. Select the pen tool and click on the edge of the leaf to create this part. Now let's infuse our logo with life using the perfect color and typography. We've chosen fresh and captivating shades that reflect our wholesome vegan dishes and deep connection to nature. The captivating dark green symbolizes freshness and sustainability, while accents of yellow and orange add an energetic and inviting touch. We picked the elegant font to enhance our brand identity. Its clean line and subtle curves perfectly complement the logo's design, radiating simplicity and sophistication. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Get ready for part 2, where we unveil the fully completed logo and share our in-depth case study. Don't miss out. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant update. Your support means the world to us. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Until next time, happy designing.